Today we're gonna do a yaoi bottom makeup tutorial, extended version, because I did one on Instagram Reels a few months ago and it got a lot of traction, so I'm gonna do a detailed explanation this time. I know what you guys are commenting about me. I don't know if I should call this a yaoi bottom makeup tutorial since you guys keep saying I already look like a yaoi bottom. Let's just say I'm enhancing my yaoi bottom features. So I'm just gonna be basing myself off Kim Don today. He's basically the face of yaoi bottoms. You think of yaoi bottom, he pops up in your head. First and most important step before doing any sort of makeup, eye enlarging contact lenses. I even got lenses to replicate Kim Don's eyes. These are brown lenses that have a gradient that makes it lighter at the bottom, just like how Kim Don looks. Something cool about these lenses is that this gradient is actually fixed in one place. These lenses weight slightly more at the bottom so that this half color won't shift around and make you look like a dumbass. So because these lenses are weighted, this light part will always stay at the bottom because they're slightly heavier at the bottom. Pretty cool, right? We got contact lens technology in 2026. Next step, we're gonna conceal my eyes. I just use this random cream concealer. Luckily for me, I don't really have eye bags, so this step isn't really necessary. We're trying to replicate a 2D look though, so no flaws are allowed for this look. I'm not sure if people are actually gonna follow this video as a tutorial, but if you do, I'm telling you guys, I called it a yaoi bottom makeup, but this is just my daily makeup. Usually cosplayers, especially from China, make their base very light because it'll make the eyeshadows and contour pop more. It's not always about colorism, guys. Now that my base is done, what I like to do is add a little matte powder so that it doesn't get too sticky. I've been doing makeup for 6 years and this is definitely the best way for me to have my makeup stay intact for the longest time, is to put powder along the way while you're doing your makeup, not just at the end. Next is contour. This is sort of an important step because you want to get those mono proportions. I like to get the darkest shade. Let's start below. And I do a little V. This is to create that button nose that the yaoi bottoms always have. And I do like a little C here. I like to extend it to the brow. And then I get a bit more pigment and I just work my way down a little. This will make my nose bridge look taller. And that'll make my nose look smaller and slimmer. The goal of this is to slim down the nose bridge so you look like a drawing. So to get that 3D makeup effect, you get the highlight and then you just trace here on the nose bridge. And you add a little highlight to the tip. See, my nose bridge looks so tall right now, but we're not done. We're gonna clean this part up. I like to clean up my eye makeup too. It seems very clean. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. How I created the yaoi bottom look, honestly, as I said before, it's literally just my daily makeup, but with more cosplay makeup aspects, and I just pay more attention to the eyes. And we'll play with the eyes to make them look more submissive. Because essentially it's gonna look really similar to just cosplay makeup. Think of this video as a Kim Don cosplay makeup tutorial. I pat it to make it more smooth, and then for the final touch on the nose, we get the glitter and just add it to the tip of my nose. See, that creates the button nose effect. My nose looks so pointy and so slim at the same time. And with the bigger brush, I just kind of shave the side of my face to make my face slimmer. Again, the goal of this is to look unreal, look 2D, look like a drawing. With 3D makeup, how ironic. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. I'm a yaoi bottom in depth. I don't have money for AC. I actually didn't make that up. I generally don't have AC in my room and it's like 30 degrees. For the eyebrows, again, it's kind of cosplay style, but I'm lazy, so I just get dark eyeshadow and just fill in my eyebrows. At the end of the day, yaoi bottoms are still men, so if you're gonna cosplay a man, you gotta fill the eyebrows up. When you fill your eyebrow up, try to make it slightly downwards so it looks like you're mad. The reason why I'm so lazy with my eyebrows is because I have bangs, so they cover it. I got the YAOI bottom haircut too, not to mention. Honestly, the most important part about brows is to fill it up so darkly that you can see it through your hair. Okay, we're at the fun part now. We're gonna do our eye makeup. So to start off, we're just gonna get like some brown colors and just kind of fill out this little corner. Kind of like this. Then you can extend it. It's like an eyeshadow eyeliner. Don't be afraid to fill this part out. This will make your eyes look more submissive. It'll make your eyes look bigger and extended. Bottoms have really big eyes, so we gotta nail this. I also use a little pink too. Just get a muted brown color. Fill out your eyelid. This part is not that important and doesn't make a huge difference. It's just more to make your eyes pop. I use my fingers often to blend. Okay, this part is pretty important, so you guys better lock in. We're gonna use the pink parts. This is unfortunately not that pigmented, but if you can find like a pigmented dark pink or like a light pink or something, get that and then fill it out around the bottom of the triangle you just drew. This will give off the YAOI bottom crying effect, especially when they're in bed and they're getting railed. Here comes another important part. You get the dark brown, and this is for the eye bag under the eye. This will enlarge it. You just smile with your eyes, and then you find the shadow, and you just trace. This part will make you look crazy. You might laugh during this part. If you have, you don't have to do this, but if you have, I recommend an egg yolk salt pen. Basically a pen made for this step. And you drew the shadow and you just enhance it. So our eyes look pretty red, it looks pretty tearful, which is good. We want that teary look. If we want to get even more crying look effect, then we must add more red. I don't have more pigmented red, so I'm gonna use my blush. We're gonna add some blush on half of our egg yolk cell. So this is gonna make our egg yolk cell look pink. See, now my eyes look swollen. They look swollen, it looks like I cried, it looks like I just got pegged. So, we're almost done with the eyes. If they're this pink, then it's a good sign. But we want more depth. And in my reel, I didn't do this step, but grab like a black eyeliner pen or dark brown. And just around your lash, like on top here, just draw slightly a small line. Now I'm gonna blend it out. It's just like a mini eyeliner. Doesn't make a huge difference on camera, but it definitely makes a difference in person. This is optional. You can add some mascara or like eyelash curler just to like give yourself lashes. I don't have any, so I'm not gonna do that. And usually men don't really have eyelashes that are visible. It's not really that important of a step, it's more just like a fun step. The waterline, if you can also just enhance it with the darker color. Let's have fun with blush. Bottoms are always in heat, so they're naturally always blushing. I'm gonna add some on the chin, on the nose, a lot on the cheeks. Don't be afraid to overdo the blush. They're always in heat. You can add a little bit closer to your nose. Okay. Like this, I look drunk, but let's pretend I'm in heat. Finish off with a natural lip tint. I feel like a YAOI LARPer these days because there's so many cool YAOIs that are coming out and updating. But I just don't have time to read all of them. So what happens is either I add them to my list and I never read them, or I just talk about it to people without actually reading it because I know it's trending, but there's just too many that are just so good. And I end up reading like the first 2 chapters and then I put it on hold until I have time. And then I tell people that I was reading it, but then they find out I don't know anything and they call me a LARPer. But it's not true. I genuinely appreciate yaoi. I'm a D1 yaoi fan. I think the first time I've ever watched yaoi was I was 8 years old and I came across Super Lovers on YouTube. That was looking not a great memory because if I remember correctly, that anime is about like pedophilia. Canonly, yaoi bottoms are not wearing makeup, which is why we try to keep the lips as natural as possible. And we don't go too full out on the eyes. They're still men in the end. Some yaoi bottoms even think they're straight at first. Funny. Before we get to the montage, let's add some powder for the final look. Bonus points for you guys if you part your hair.